What's up, guys? Justin here with the realtimeessentials.com. So quick video today checking out the new lightning sale that they're running in the Unity Asset Store. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. All right, so first off, I apologize. I know I've been doing a lot of the Asset Store type stuff lately. I really want to get back into actually taking a look at the different assets and how to bring them into the program and actually get them set up, doing different reviews and that kind of thing. So we will get back into that. At the same time, I do want to kind of like keep you up to date on what's going on with both Unity and Unreal Engine. So it's kind of a balance I'm trying to walk. But currently, right now, they are running a lightning sale inside of the Unity Asset Store. So if you go to the Unity blog, they talk a little bit about it. They're saying that it's the first ever sale like this. I think that's a little bit misleading since there was something kind of similar that went on over Black Friday of last year, but they're kind of working the same way. So it is different than that sale, but basically the way that it works is inside of the asset store, what you've got is you've got a number of different assets that go on sale at a certain time. So for example, a bunch of these that are on here are already on sale, but if you jump like 9 pages in or something like that, you can see how there are other sales that are going to start a little bit later on in the sale. So it is a little bit different than the Black Friday sale in a couple different ways. So first off, they do have a limited number of assets that are on sale. So I know there's varying levels of feelings on that. I know that there's a little bit of like creating some artificial scarcity in there. I also understand too, though, that if you're a developer, you may not want to sell like an unlimited number of your asset at a massive discount. So I can kind of see both sides on that. So if you're into it, great. If you're not, then totally get it. You don't have to participate. But the way that it works is when these assets first go on sale, there's a limited number of the assets that are going to go on sale at 70% off. And so basically the way that it's going to work is kind of like the Black Friday sale in the sense that when these go on sale, so in like 2 days, for example, this asset will go on sale and it'll be 70% off for whatever the quantity is that's supposed to be. It might be 20 or 40. So 20 or 40 of those will go on sale for 70% off. And then once that initial quantity is sold out, then there'll be a 60% discount for a certain number of quantity. There's a certain number of quantity that'll be on sale for the 50% discount. So you can see on the front page where it gives you the little bar right here saying how many of these are left. And then once they're left, they're no longer on sale. So it's kind of like the Black Friday sale, but the Black Friday sale, there was kind of an unlimited number of them on sale. So there's a certain number and then it's no longer on sale. One thing that is different about this as opposed to the Black Friday sale is they are showing you way in advance more things that are on sale. So if I go to like the end of this, for example, if I go to page 9, you can see what's going to be on sale for the next 3 days. I think at the Black Friday sale, it might have been more like 1 day or something like that. So you don't have to check back as much to see what's going on sale. And so you can look at all of the items that are going to go on sale by going later on in the list right here. So you can see all of those going through the list. And so one thing that is a little bit different now from the Black Friday sale, because there was something that didn't really work very well, is you can't add these to your cart and then try to purchase through your cart. You have to use the buy now button in order to do that, which was something that didn't really go super well in the Black Friday sale. So now you do have to use the buy now. I know some people have been frustrated because they click on the buy now and 50 other people click on buy now at once, and then sometimes you get it and sometimes you don't. That is kind of the nature of a sale like this, and I don't know if there's a better solution to that. And so that is being managed through the buy now button right now. So I have seen a few people reporting the website going down due to high traffic or other things like that. So is it 100% fixed? I don't think that it is, but that is how they are managing that on this go round. And so you can kind of scroll through. There's a pretty wide range of different things that are on sale. So I picked up Feel yesterday. I'm excited to do a video on that one. That one looks really cool with the way that it can give like better feedback and other things like that. I think pretty much anything I've tried from More Mountains has been really good. But as you kind of flip through, you can see how there's a ton of different asset packs. There's different tools, other things like that as well. So things like the Vegetation Engine is going to be going on sale. In fact, I think that one already is. So Playmaker is currently on sale. That's kind of a big name asset. So that one's currently on sale if you want to pick that one up. And then there's just a bunch of stuff that's going to be coming up. And I'm kind of interested in looking at some of these on the channel in the next week or so. So I'd like to do something on Feel, maybe some other stuff as well. But you can see how there's just a ton of different things in here. So it really kind of depends on your interests and kind of what you need. But you can go through this and see all of this and see what's going to go on sale. So you can kind of prepare for that and know when that's going to go. So obviously Obviously, Farm Animals Pack, super stoked about that one. Maybe I'm weird because I have animals, but super excited about the Animals Pack. But yeah, you can just kind of flip through and see. You can just see if there's anything that you're going to be interested in this sale. All right, so I will link to the sale in the notes down below. That is an affiliate link, so anything you purchase through that link will help support the channel. But if there's anything from the sale you'd like me to cover, leave a comment down below and let me know if there's something that you're interested in. I can see if I can cover some of that stuff. I mean, my goal is to cover a lot of assets on the channel, so I'd definitely love to hear your feedback on that. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.